For the times they are a-changin'. Hi, I'm Ben Brown with MoreThanGuitar.com, and in this lesson video, how to play The Times They Are A-Changin' by Bob Dylan. Let's start with the chords. The first one's a G. You're going to let your first finger hang loose. Middle finger plays the 5th string 2nd fret. Ring finger plays the 6th string 3rd fret. And your pinky plays the 1st string 3rd fret. You're going to play all 6 strings. Now there's an alternate way to play this, and Mr. Dylan uses it in several recordings. Put your first finger on the 5th string 3rd fret, middle finger on the 6th string 3rd fret, and then your ring finger on the 2nd string 3rd fret, pinky right back where it was. This is a G5 or a folk G, whatever you want to call it. Next chord's an E minor. You're going to put your middle finger on the, well, if you're playing the G this way, it just stays there. It goes on the 5th string 2nd fret. Your ring finger crowds behind it on the 4th string 2nd fret. Play all 6 strings. For the C chord, we're going to move our ring finger to the 5th string 3rd fret. Ring finger moves over to the 4th string 2nd fret, and your first finger presses down on the 2nd string 1st fret. Play 5 strings. The next new chord is an A minor. First finger goes on the 2nd string 1st fret. Middle finger goes on the 4th string 2nd fret, and your ring finger crowds behind it on the 3rd string 2nd fret. Play 5 strings. Next, a D chord. Your first finger goes on the 3rd string 2nd fret. Middle finger goes on the 1st string 2nd fret, and your ring finger goes right in the middle of them on the 2nd string 3rd fret. And you're going to play 4 strings. You're going to play 4 strings, that is, until we get to that 5th line. And then what we have is a walking bass part. I should take a second to show you how to play that. So when you play a D, you're starting on the 4th string, which is, by some strange coincidence, a D. Then to play the D/C, that's a D with a C in the bass. We're going to change this D to a C note. And then D/B. D/A is just the open A. So, to play it straight through, nothing to it. The rhythm for this song starts with a good solid 6/8 strum. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, and 6. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Notice I'm accenting the 1 and the 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And that accent usually happens on a chord change. Come gather around wherever you roam. So, start off with your steady beat. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6. 1 and 2. Slow it down a little bit. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6. And 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6. And that's basically what you're playing throughout the whole song. What I'm doing to help those accents feel heavier is I'm leaving out the and of 1, the upbeat of 1, and the downstroke of 2. So, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6. I'm not even going to start to try to help you with the harmonica part. All I know is you blow and draw. Don't say suck, it's rude. If you'd like to learn harmonica, Bob Dylan's a great place to start. Get your harmonica. You can get one for about 15 bucks, 20 bucks. That's a decent one. The holder is about another 15 bucks. And try it out without strumming first. Give yourself one job to do at a time. One other thing I would advise anyone who covers this song to do is do not try to imitate Bob Dylan's singing. I'm not dissing Mr. Dylan's singing. He's a great artist. It's just that that's not his main point. You should take his songs and try to make it your songs like every other artist who covers his stuff does. To try to imitate Bob Dylan's voice is kind of disrespectful and is not going to ingratiate you with your audience, at least no audience I want to play for. Don't forget to look below the video for links to the chord chart as well as other lessons that you might like to learn. Below that, there's a big gray area. Gray areas are for questions. If you have any questions about this lesson, please feel free to ask. We always love to answer questions. I'm Ben Brown with MoreThanGuitar.com, and this has been The Times They Are A-Changin' by Bob Dylan. Thank you for watching.